Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to log into your Metrobank online account. So this is super handy because once you're logged in, you can check your balances, pay bills, or even manage your accounts right from your computer or even your phone. So first, what you're going to have to do is simply head over to the official Metrobank website. And always make sure to double check the URL just to make sure you're on the right site. Alright, so once you're here, simply look for the login or online banking button, which is usually going to be in the top right of your homepage. Then simply go to register for online banking. So once you do that, you then have to enter your username or your customer ID. And finally, enter your password. So just simply make sure you type everything correctly because Metrobank will lock you out after multiple failed attempts. And once you're in, you may be asked for a verification code, which is usually going to be sent to your phone or your email. So don't worry, this is simply part of their security measures. So simply type in the code and you'll be all set. And that's it. So once you're in, you'll then be able to explore your account, check transactions, or even set up payments and more. So just remember to log out when you're done, especially on shared devices to keep your account secure. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.